Hi guys, let's review Xiaomi Fimi A3 drone. It is global version drone. It can work in every country. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We will send it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver Xiaomi Fimi A3 drone and other Fimi drone to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the Fimi A3 drone, you can play us order. If you want to make B2B business or Xiaomi Fimi A3 drone and other Xiaomi products, you can contact with us. Let's continue to review Fimi A3 drone. Okay, now you can see six pieces.
Propeller.
6 pieces propeller. Keep release. Install it into the aircraft quickly. Okay, 6 pieces. Here's the charger. Connect port. Europe charger. Here's the charging cable. And here's 1 piece micro USB cable. Here's the instruction. And this one is manual. It have aircraft power adapter, remote controller, battery, and the gimbal. Balance charge. Aircraft. Gimbal camera. And this one is wireless controller. micro SD card, insert, audio, headphone, charging USB port. It is a 4.3 inch. Resolution is 480 pixels by 272 pixels, and the battery built-in is 2950 mAh battery built-in. Insert TF card to storage the video photo. Okay, the last one is the aircraft and the gimbal. Have a look. We can see the quality of the motor. Here's the gimbal and camera. The battery can take out. The battery is a 2000 mAh battery. The charging port. Okay, that's all. Last, let's have a look the color box. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages.